Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a flamingo. For the flamingo we are going to use first a 646Q pink colored, three 350s pink colored, four 260s pink colored, two 260s onyx black, one white. For the white we're just gonna use a small piece, so if you only have a scrap it's fine. If you only have a piece like this, it's fine because we're gonna use so little. One bean, if you have a bean or something, a bean grain, because we're gonna put it inside. Look, I already did, so it's inside of the black one. And if you have a stick, something to put the balloon in, so this is the first step we're gonna do. We're gonna put this 260 color pink inside of a 350 pink color, like this. I'm gonna tie it from the bottom. Don't let it untie, like this. And I'm gonna start inflating the balloon. Look. We inflate the 350, not the 260, okay? We inflate the balloon, the 260 is inside, but we only inflate the 350. Like this. Little by little. I think that's enough. That's enough. We tie the balloon. And this is going to be for the head of the flamingo. We make an S like this, like an S. There it is. Now we are going to inflate a 646, and we are going to leave about 3 fingers uninflated. Here it is, I already did, so I'm going to take this out. The 646, we just fold it in half, or we twist it just right at the top. Here it is. Look. Two even sides. When the air is evenly distributed, you tie the balloon. Like this. You see? Now we are gonna use one 350 pink color. Here it is. About 5 fingers. Look, 5 fingers uninflated. 5 fingers. We are gonna do the same thing. We cut it in half, or we twist it in half, and make 2 even sides. 2 even sides. Here we go. On this part, on the part of the nozzle and the tip, here, we just put it all together like this. And we tied it also, this one, from the bottom, from the nozzle and the tip. And we just fold it to the other side, and we tied it all together like this. So we put the 646 and the 350 together like this. Now on the 350, look, 4 6 fingers, 4 6 fingers. We're gonna make a small bubble, a 6-finger bubble on even side, both sides like this. So we have it over here. Now, we are gonna use for the legs two 260s. So we separate the 260s. The 260s will be inflated, leaving about 3 fingers uninflated. Now we start from the nozzle, 4 fingers, and we make a triangle. And we try to do it evenly, an even triangle on the 3 sides even. We make a small bubble, a two fingers, a small bubble, and we make it into a pinch twist, like this. We do the same thing with the other one, okay? The same thing. A triangle for the legs, and then the same way we make the pinch twist. Here it is, look. So we have the 2 legs right now, like this. Now if you see that one of them is smaller and one of them is shorter, do not worry, because we're gonna do this. We put them together like this, and then we make them even at the top. Okay? Here it is, we're making them even at the top. Tight it. And now we put the other one, and we make it even with the first one. Here it is. Now, one goes on one side, and the other one goes on the other side, like this. So they can be standing up, like this. You see the body? It's taking shape already. It's taking shape. I know that many people will want the flamingo to be like this. So if you have a flamingo, it will step up like this, step like this, or to the back. I always do it to the back, because I know flamingos don't put their legs to the back, but it looks better. I don't know why, but it looks better. It's like when you do a tree of with brown balloons instead of gray. A tree, well, the trunk will always be gray, but you will use the brown. I don't understand why, but we use different colors. So I always put it to the back, like this. Now for the tail, we are gonna use 1 260 black and 1 260 pink. Here it is. I already have them made. All of them, both of them have to be even inflated, but right now I don't know what happened to my air pump. 3 fingers. We put them together like this, and we twist them right in the middle, like this. Now, just really very gently put it between the 646 and the 350, right in the middle, like this. Look, and you get both sides, tie them together, both sides, 1, 2 over here, and this one too. Tie them together or twist them together like this, and now pull them to the back. Now it's up to you to leave the black on top, or the pink on top, or the whatever you want to do it. I will leave it like this as it came out. And just if you just make some pinch twist over here with the leftovers. Just to make them look nice, okay? Just to hide the mechanics. Hide the mechanics, remember. This has to be a clean job. So you hide the mechanics like this, very nicely. Here it is. Now, this one will go like this. Pinch twist, and we put it in the front. The S, okay? Now, you have them like this. Can you see? Okay, now for the face, I'm gonna use the other 350, the last one, and we're gonna leave 8 fingers, make an 8 fingers bubble, make a pinch twist, and then another 6 fingers, two more 6 fingers. One, tied it with the 8 fingers, so it is one 8 fingers bubble and 2 6-finger bubbles. So we're gonna make three sides, one of 8 fingers and 2 for 6 fingers, so that the top will be a little bit longer, not too much, just a little bit longer. Okay. For the rest of it, just make another extra bubble and just let the air go. Here it is, look. Like this, like a little fish mouth. We are gonna have to inflate the one with the little bean inside about halfway, like this. Burp the balloon a little bit and tighten it. 4 fingers, 6 fingers, and grab the little bean. Do not let it go. 4, 6 more fingers. Twist it. Don't let go the bean because it's like a side bubble. Now 3 fingers, and we're gonna stick this side of the balloon with the bean. There it is. Now 4 more fingers. We tie this one. So this will be the beak. Come closer. As you can see, the little bean is over here, but it's twisting the balloon because these ones on top are 6 fingers and this one at the bottom are 3 and 3 or 4 and 4, depending on how much do you want the balloon to go around. So this one, take the air out, and we're gonna put it in the front of where the two little pinch twist are. Here it is, look. There it is. Remember that I asked you to have just a small scrap of white 260s? Well, we're just gonna need like 2 little bubbles of one finger bubble. Look, we're gonna need one little bubble, and we make it into a pinch twist. We take the air out, we tie the balloon one more time, another little bubble, just one finger, and we make it into a pinch twist. We tie it, we break it, and then we tie them together. Like this. On the face, we're gonna pass the balloon from one side to the other, and this is going to be the little eyes for the flamingo. Now we are gonna hold this one, the top of the flamingo, and we're gonna make it into a little pinch twist. Okay, like this, and we tie the head with a little pinch twist over here. And then just fix it. And that's how I make a flamingo. If it needs more balloons or more support, or if you want to make it differently for the head or something else, it's up to you. You can accommodate the flamingo. You can make it into whatever you want. This is I love it. I like it. This is a very nice creation. The beak is fantastic. I use it for the many things, not just for the beak of the flamingo. And now I'm gonna do the eyes. Come here. Just sharpie work. One eye on this side and one eye on the other side. Just a small round circles. And then with the black. And on the other side too. Just a little bit of white so you can look like this, you can be like this. It's a beautiful flamingo, I love it. This is very nice for the decorations, and you can just do whatever you want with this. You can make it on this side, you can make it smaller size by downsizing the balloons. Instead of a 350, you can use, instead of a 646, you can use a 350 over here and 260 over here, and for the legs 160. Perfect. This one will look perfect and very nice.